Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to look at 3 by 3 matrix, and our area of interest will be the matrix operation of a 3 by 3 matrix. So we look at matrices operations of a 3 by 3 matrix. So with this we can perform operations like addition, we can do subtraction, we can also do multiplication. So I'll begin with addition of 3 by 3 matrix. Addition of 3 by 3 matrix, and given that matrix A is equals to 3, 4, 1 in that order, then we have 1, 3, 4 again in that order, then negative 4, 1, negative 3, and matrix B is equivalent to 2, negative 2, 6, 7, 1, 3, minus 5, 0, 4. Then you're told to obtain A plus B. So for us to obtain A plus B, now solution, we simply perform a simple arithmetics, and that is by the arithmetic of addition, and we simply put this as A plus B is equals to 3, 4, 1, the components of matrix A, 1, 3, 4, minus 4, 1, minus 3, we add 2. The components of matrix B, this is 2, negative 2, 6, 7, 1, 3, then we have minus 5, 0, 4, and this will simply implies that we take these 3, we add to these 2, we get 5. We take this 4 plus minus 2, and this will give us 2. We take 1 plus 6 to get 7. Then we come to this column, we take 1 plus 7 to get 8, 3 plus 1 to get 4, then 4 plus 3 to get 7, minus 4 plus minus 5 to get minus 9, then we have 1 plus 0 to get 1, then minus 3 plus 4, we get positive 1, and this is the solution of your matrix. Now this is 1. Let's look at 2. At example 2, we have take A, matrix A equivalent to -4 9 8 2 5 6, then 7 1 3, and B equals to 3 1 7 minus 4 8 9, then we have 5 6 2. So again, obtain A plus B. So A plus B, for us to get A plus B, we simply say that A plus B, matrix of A, you add to matrix of B. This is to say minus 4 9 8 2 5 6 7 1 3 plus 3 1 7 minus 4 8 9 5 6 2. So this is again equivalent to saying that we take minus 4 plus 3, we get minus 1. 9 plus 1, we get 10. 8 plus 7, we get 15. Then this is 2 plus minus 4, we get minus 2. 5 plus 8, we get 13. 6 plus 9, we get 15. Then 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5, we get 12. Then 1 plus 6, we get 7. Then 3 plus 2, we get 5. And again, this becomes our solution for that part. Now let's look at how we perform subtraction of matrices. How we perform subtraction of matrices. How we perform subtraction of matrices. So given that C, matrix C, is equals to 3 4 1, then we have 1 3 4 minus 4 3 -1, and B we have B, matrix of B is equals to 2 minus 2 6 5 7 1, then minus 5 0 4. So to obtain the difference between matrix B and C. So this is to say that the difference between matrix B and C, this is simply to say the matrix of B, this is 2 minus 2 6 5 7 1, then minus 5 0 4. You subtract you subtract 3, 4, 1. Then we have 1, 3, 4 minus 4, 3 minus 1. So in other words, we can express this one as so this one can be expressed as we take 2, you subtract 3, then minus 2 minus 4, then 6 minus 1, then we have 5 minus 1, 7 minus 3, 1 minus 4, minus 5 minus 4, then we have 0 minus 3, 4 minus 1, and this one will give, this is 2 minus 3, which is negative 1, minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6, this is positive 5, then we have 5 minus 1, which gives 4, then we have another 4, minus 3, minus 9, minus 3, positive 5, and that is again the answer to that part. Then we can give this one a trial. We have matrix E is equals to 3 minus 2, 7, then 4, 6 minus 4, then we have 0, minus 3, 1, and matrix F equals to 1, 4, negative 1, 3, 3, 4, minus 4, 3, 1. So you told to obtain E, matrix of E, you subtract matrix of F. So again, E minus F is equivalent to so we have 3 minus 2, 7, 4, 6 minus 1, 0 minus 3, 1. Everything you subtract 1, 4 minus 1, 3, 3, 4, minus 4, 3 minus 1, and this is equivalent to 3 minus 1, which is 2, minus 2 minus 4, which is minus 6, 7 minus minus 1, which is 8, 4 minus 3, which is positive 1, 6 minus 3, which is positive 3, minus 4 minus 4, that is minus 8, 0 minus minus 4, 0 minus minus 4 is positive 4, minus 3 minus 3, that is 0, 1 minus 1, again we get a 0. So that becomes our matrix. That becomes our matrix. And the other thing that we can do is the other operation is the multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. And when it comes to multiplication of matrices, this is very special. And let's take a very simple example, a 2 by 2 matrix in this case. So if A equals to minus 3, then 7, is 0 minus 5, then B is equals to 3, 7, 4, and 5, and C matrix of C is equals to 1 minus 2, 0 minus 5. Then it would to obtain 2A minus 3B plus 5C. So solution. First we say this is 2 into the matrix of minus 3, 7, 0, minus 5. Then you subtract 3 into 3, 7, 4, 5 plus 5 into 1 minus 2, 0 minus 5. So this is equivalent to, if we multiply all those terms by the constant, the first one will get, so the question was 2A minus 3B plus 5C, and this is equivalent to minus 6, 14, and we have 0, this is 0 minus 10, then we have minus 3 of B. 3 of B is 9, 21, 12, 15 plus 5 of C. 5 of C is 5 minus 10, 0 minus 25. So we have minus 6 minus 9, that is minus 15 plus 5 to get minus 10. Then we have 14 minus 21, that is negative 7. Negative 7 plus negative 10, that is negative 17. Then we have 0 minus 12, that is minus 12, plus 0, again we get minus 12. Then there is minus 10 minus 15, that is minus 25, plus minus 25 we get minus 50. And that is the answer. So if A is equals to if A is equals to the matrix, which is 2, 1, then 3 minus 4, and B is equals to minus 5 minus 3, 7, 4. Then you're told to find A multiplied by B. So for this one, we can say let A multiplied by B equals to C, where C is equivalent to the matrix of C1, 1, then C1, 2, then C2, 1, and C2, 2. So again, we can say that C1, 1 is equivalent to the sum of the products of the first two, the sum of the product of the first row elements of A and the sum of the products of elements B taken at a time. So therefore C1, 1 is equivalent to, this is 2 multiplied by negative 5 plus 3 multiplied by negative 3, and this is equivalent to minus 19. Then we have C1, 2, that is C12, and again C12 is equals to the sum of the product of the first row elements of A and the first row element of A, this one, so it is this multiplied by the second column of elements of B. So this is 2 times 7 plus 3 times 4, and this is equivalent to 26. Then we have C21. C21 is the sum of the products of the second row, the sum of the product of the second row. So it is this row with the first column of elements B, with these elements here. So it is these elements. So what I have circled is the product, the sum of the products of those two elements. So this is the second row of matrix A with the first column of matrix B. So this is to say 1 multiplied by -5 plus -4 times -3, and this will give +7, because you realize this is -5 plus 12, which gives +7. Then we have C22, which is the sum of the product of the second row elements of A and the second column of B. So it is 1 minus 4 multiplied by 7 and 4. And this is to say 1 times 7 plus 1 times 7 plus -4 multiplied by -3, and this will give, sorry, this is -4 multiplied by +4, -4 multiplied by +4, and this will give -9. So that's A multiplied by B is equivalent to C, which is equivalent to C11, C21, C12, C22, which is equivalent to C11 is -19, C12 is 26, then C12 is 7, C22 is -9, and that's how we get our matrix. Then what if you told to simplify we have 3 minus 2 7, 4 6 minus 4, 0 minus 3 1 multiplied by 2 5 minus 1. So this is 1 by 1 matrix multiplied by 3 by 3 matrix. So what does this one imply? If you try to simplify this simply implies that it is these elements multiplied by, so it is in that direction, you multiply in this direction. So we'll say this is 3 times 2 plus 4 times 5 plus 0 times -1 then we have -2 times 5 plus 6. This is minus 2 times, sorry, this is 2, minus 2 times 2, then 6 times 5 plus minus 3 times minus 1, then we have 7 times 2 plus minus 4 times 5 plus 1 times minus 1. So this again will give a 1 by 1 matrix, and that is to say 2 times 3 times 2, that is 6, plus 20, that is 26, plus 0, we get 26, minus 2 times 2, that is minus 4, plus 30, that is 34. This is minus 4, sorry, plus 30, we get 26. 26 plus 3, we get 29. Then we have 7, this is 14. 14 minus 20, get 6. So we have 14 minus 20 minus 1. So this is minus 6 minus 7. So we have minus 7 there. So which is again 1 by 1 matrix. Now, what if let's draw a line here to avoid confusion. What if we have matrix A equivalent to 3 minus 2, 7, then 4, 6 minus 4, 0 minus 3, 1, and matrix B is equivalent to 2, 5, 1, negative 1, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Then we told you to find A multiplied by B. So therefore A multiplied by B is equivalent to 3 minus 2, 7, 4, 6 minus 4, 0 minus 3, 1, multiplied by 2, 5 minus 1, minus 5 minus 6 minus 7. So this is to say that if we multiply this one, this will give a 2 by 3 matrix. So allow me to do it to have more space like that. So we'll say it is the sum of the first row with the sum of the first elements. So this is 3 times 2 plus 4 times 5 plus this is 0. So if you multiply 0 by negative 1, it will give you a 0. So we have minus 2 times 2 plus into 6 times 5 plus into minus 3 times minus 1. Then we have close this. We have 7 multiplied by 2 plus minus 4 multiplied by 5 plus 1 multiplied by negative 1. So if we draw a line here to demarcate, if we demarcate that point, then we come to this other side, the elements, we'll have 3. This is 3 times negative 5 plus 4 times minus 6 plus this is 0. Then we have minus 2 times minus 5, then plus into 6 times negative 6 plus minus 3 times minus 7. Then we have the last one is into 7 times minus 5 plus this is minus 4 times minus 6 plus into bracket 1 times minus 7, close that bracket. So if you allow me to do this calculation, this one will give us, so you have 2 times 3, that is 6 plus 20, so that is 26, the very first element here. So this element here is 26. Then if we come to this other one is minus 4 plus 30, that is 26, plus 3, that is 29. So this is 29. So that is A multiplied by B. Then the last one here will give minus 7. Then we have this part here. This is minus 15 plus minus 24. That will give minus 39. This is positive 10 minus 36 plus 21 to get minus 5. Then this is 35, so this is minus 5, this is minus 5. Then we have this part here, and this part will give, we have minus 35 plus 24 minus 7 to get minus 18, and this is the expected answer, so you get it correct. So you can make it interesting. You can make it interesting by having to determine this. Determine. So this is 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1 multiplied by 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, then 0, 2, 0. So let me arrange my work like this. I want to show now how we're going about it. I want to show you all the bits, all the steps. So for the first element here, we said that it is 1 times 2 plus, so this is 1 times 2, close the bracket, plus 0 times 1 plus, open another bracket, 3 times 3. So close that.